In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the issue of not being able to follow people on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It helps a lot. There are several reasons why you might experience this problem, and I'll cover multiple potential fixes. You might find that when you follow someone, you automatically get unfollowed. Or you may even see a message saying you can't follow anyone right now. Stick around as I go through all the solutions and explain what's going on. The first thing you should try is clearing the TikTok cache. To do this, go to your TikTok profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you see Cache and Cellular Data. Tap on that, and under Free Up Space, select Clear Cache. Confirm by tapping Clear, and this will refresh your TikTok app. Afterward, check if you can now follow people on TikTok. If not, let's move on to the next step. If clearing the cache didn't help, try restarting the app. On an iPhone, you can swipe up from the bottom and then swipe TikTok off the screen to close it. Once it's closed, reopen the app and check if the issue is fixed. If you're still having trouble, it might be because you've followed too many people in a short period. TikTok may temporarily limit your ability to follow others. In this case, wait 24 hours and try again. Another possible reason is that TikTok may have flagged your account as potentially being controlled by a bot. If this happens, you'll likely face restrictions on your actions. To resolve this, simply slow down your activity for a while. Watch some videos, maybe post a few, and interact naturally. After a 24-hour waiting period, you should be able to follow people again. If you have another TikTok account, you can try switching to it and see if you can follow people there. Alternatively, if you have another device, log into your TikTok account on that device and check if you're able to follow people. TikTok also recommends switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try turning it off and switching to cellular data. Then check if you can follow users. If that doesn't work, you can switch back to Wi-Fi and try again. If none of the above steps worked, you may need to reach out to TikTok support. To do this, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll down to the Support section. Tap on Report a Problem, and in the search bar type Can't Follow People. You'll be shown an article with possible solutions. If the solutions listed don't work, tap on No, then Need More Help, and you'll be directed to a support form. You can describe the issue, attach a screen recording, and submit it. TikTok should get back to you within a few days. To check on your report, go back to the Report a Problem section. Tap on the paper icon in the top right corner, and you'll see a list of all your reports. Keep an eye out for TikTok's response. I hope these steps helped you fix the issue of not being able to follow people on TikTok. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.